Hi guys, I just want to give a quick video on the Romeo 1 and battery life. This is my P320 Compact RX. I've been carrying it every single day, hours per day, not a full 8 hours, something like that. I'd typically be out and about maybe a few hours of the day, to be honest. So not spectacular amount of usage, but every day, extremely reliable in terms of me carrying, a few hours a day. This does have a shake wake technology, so the amount of on hours is going to be hard to deduce from that. But we're talking about 3 years of carrying this, and it finally gave out. So I've just replaced the battery. Some of you might say, well, you should have replaced it before you ran out. It's like, well, I know how to use the iron sights. It does have the backup iron sights. I totally get it if you don't have the backup iron sights, but this comes from the factory with them, so it didn't really concern me. I kind of wanted to see how long it would last. So with the battery from the factory, which is a Duracell, one just there, just replaced that. 3 years. Obviously not on full on duty cycle, but that's pretty impressive. I think from here on out, I'm going to replace it every 1 to 2 years. I'm going to put a note in my calendar. But for anyone out there, it's 3 years for EDC, maybe a little longer, a little short, depending on how consistent you are about EDC. This top cover, you want to do about 10 inch-pounds. So if you've got the, the Wheeler Accurizer torque wrench, 10 inch-pounds, you'll have a bit that is not anywhere near close to being able to fill that out. What I use is a trick that I've seen on sort of rounded nuts and stuff like that, is to just get a piece of paper and then put the screw bit into there, and that way it gets a little bit more purchase on those edges, and you're able to work without just damaging the top cover. You don't need any Loctite or anything like that, but 10 inch-pounds. Do not use the plastic tool that comes with it. That is useless. It will be so loose that you'll have sort of electronics issues, and it'll drain the battery in about a month. But yeah, relatively happy with this setup. Tier 1 concealment holster. It's really good. Is it time to replace it with a P365? I don't know. I find the grip on the P365 and even the XL is just too small for me. I've got very long fingers, not very big hands. So obviously this, I'm able to get all fingers on there, but I really do like a good grip, and I do like the no compromise of a compact carry. Anyway, till next time, see you around.